Good morning from Fairyland. So it's been a while, been super busy. Thought I would upload a quick help tip for anyone that has an oven that needs cleaning, like this one. Then it's simple. All you need is a bottle of Metho. I do not recommend drinking. Typical Aussie joke. And a scraper. Look at that. So, pretty much what I do is pour a little bit of Metho on and then basically use that as like a lubricant and then scrape the actual off. You can see just there where I've already started. Here. Feel that? So I'll do that. It'll take about 5 minutes, and I'll wipe the inside out with some Metho as well. I recommend Metho because it actually evaporates, and it's a lot safer than using the caustic oven cleaners for yourself when you're doing it, and also for the food when you're cooking. You don't want all that caustic stuff going into your lovely meals. So I recommend Metho. You can also soak the racks as well. Get a wire brush, or I use little Steelos and give them a good scrub. I'll do the same at the top. So I'll take a before and after photo as well, just to show you how easy it is. So forget all the other stuff. Metho, scraper, Steelo and a cloth. Obviously wipe it all up, or paper towel, whatever you prefer. So everyone, have a very magical day. I have an oven to clean, but I'll keep you posted. Bye bye.